Tuesday, December 9th, and Dad figured he couldn't wait any longer. We're literally still waiting on the down payment, but the red, I think it's a 55, wide gauge Bombardier that came in from Barons River is now currently in the shop. And I think they're doing the first initial look at what's going on. But first time it's been in the shop. I don't know what time they hauled it in. They got the valve covers off, obviously. I don't know what's leaking there, if it's just water or not. But this is what they have in there. And the inside has already been gutted. So everything else is back here or on the side. But they're going to need to get in here soon enough. And we thought maybe what might be a good fit is this engine and transmission, because it does not fit on our machine, period. So we might be able to swap the two out, and I think this is what Dad's doing right now. See if this engine is even salvageable from this machine. Got a feeling it isn't, since it didn't even start. When I pulled into the yard, they had already had this moved from the parking spot inside the shop. So lots of fun here. Dad's in the engine compartment doing his thing. I'll check in with him. So again, wide gauge, I think it's a 55 R26 or 28. And this looks like the valve cover here. We'll check in with Dad again.
We had no compression on one valve.
Okay.
None. And the rest are all good. And we had a bent push rod. So we just straightened the push rod and hooked up again. We're going to try it for compression.
Okay. So, I got a feeling that this engine might be kaput. It wouldn't have started getting in here. I know they would have had to push it in. So this is just some of the junk that Dad took off this thing here. So yeah, we don't. We've got the financing in place. It's just they needed to come up with a down payment, but Dad's not going to wait around here while we're waiting on parts on this thing. Okay, they're going to try it one more time here. They said one of the valves was bent again or something. This sounds rough. This came out of the front. That's got the front opened up. This is one of the steering arms needs to be replaced, and this is this.
We'll have to jack it up and block it.
Okay.
Take all that shit out and put it in.
Their Dad said tracks are getting pretty rough. Probably need some new tires, which impossible to find, but we've got the Dennis Evans ones that we can put on if necessary. This rad looks rough. Probably got to get re-cored. He said he cut off some stuff here earlier just to get access. Nice big dent in the side here. That's going to have to be pounded back out into place or cut off and re-welded in. They were farting around here with the engine for a bit. Couldn't get it started. Again, this is what it looks like on the inside. It's kind of dark, so can't really show you much. But whatever they can look at underneath there.
We'll have to break that off, cut it off, these fucking screws.
We know the wiring all has to be redone on this machine, guaranteed. They got burnt out gauges. The one customer indicated that he had a fire once, if not twice, last year. I don't know if this is what's going on with this here. I don't. The dash needs to be pounded out and made level, but that's cosmetic. Oh, look at all the rot on the side there and the sidewall. Might not be able to tackle that because that's cosmetic. And yeah, we're gonna have lots of fun on this one, guys. I don't know what the hell this is. Somebody could probably tell me what it is. Anyways, December 9th, Dad's gonna have to really go through this to see what they can get away with. Might even have to condense down the jobs so their funding lasts. Engine guaranteed, no engine, no working. The wiring for sure. Might have to skip a few other things. So, Aiden, are you excited? It's like early Christmas, right?
I'm thoroughly impressed with
Yeah.
the condition of this machine.
Okay. So Aiden's impressed.
Did you go look at the other one, what it's got for a
It's. I'm not going to say nothing. We've seen worse. Dad just wants to help these guys get a mobile again. But like I said, engine wiring, that might be all they can really do here. But we got to pull off those tracks for sure. They got bent axles.
motor? Motor's going to have to come out.
Yeah. And then you can see some flats and some tires down here. Oh, we'll do what we can. At the end of the day, these guys have all had 3 rounds of treats. It's snowing. Gonna try to encourage Charlie to stay in the shop. Emily, just nope, stay outside. Hey, my Filipino Emily, you're such a good girl. But Charlie's dry. Drinking lots of water. What do you think, Mila? Hey?